Do I need to wash hands?
So hello guys, it's my husband last 2 days dito sa Pilipinas.
But no guarantee about me.
Ano natin pa? So ayan,
Maybe.
gabi na dito guys. So yung kapatid kong nandito sa QC, no,
Maybe.
nagpadala ako ng pagkain. Ayan, ganito
Maybe
nila
I
kami.
will stay also. I don't know.
Ganito nila kami kamahal guys. O, tingnan nyo yung sinend nilang food. Ayan. So, nagtanong kasi ako kung anong ulam nila, dinner nila. So, ito, chicken curry daw. So, sabi ko, padalan mo kami para matikman ni Jitin yung chicken curry style ng Pilipinas. So, ayan. Pinaldanhan kami with masarap ito guys. May egg na ano ba ito? Ano bang tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko tong gulay na ito. Masarap ito guys. May kanin at saba pa. May mga burger pa sila, tsaka milk tea, ayan. So, thank you so much again, Rona, and Ate Jo, ayan, for the love, charot, ayan. So, kakain na kami, guys. Let's see kung magugustuhan ni Mr. So, ayan, just pakainin ko din siya ng rice. Ayan, so, gusto ni Mr. lumabas pa. Kaya lang sabi ko, gabi na, ang hirap lumabas pag gabi. Ayan, lalo na si Jess laging nagpapakarga. So, sabi ko, magstay na lang kami dito sa room. Ayan. So, let's eat, guys. Tignan natin kung magugustuhan ni Jano itong chicken curry style chicken curry Pinas style. Ito naman si Jollibee, oh. May paplato pa siya, oh. Thank you so much. Kain tayo. Lagay ko muna ito sa gilid. So, malamig. May inuubo pa ako pero inumin ko pa rin yan.
Right? What's that thing?
Subuan ko na lang.
Ito,
It's
ito.
veggies with egg. So, alam niyo ba?
You made that, I remember
Next
that.
na.
You made
It's
that?
another one. So, alam niyo ba guys, kumain si Mr. ng labong, na tortang labong. Hindi ko yun na-film. Kasi, tinamad na lang ako mag-film guys sa probinsya dahil nga naka-block yung aking Facebook page, no? So, hindi ako maka-upload doon. Sa YouTube lang ako mag-upload.
Yeah.
So, kailangan naming ayusin yun, guys, bago lumayas
We will get that back page also.
Ayan. Pero, thank God, kasi kahit nakalock yung aking Facebook page, nakuha ko pa rin yung sahod ko this month, guys. Kaya, salamat talaga kay Lord. Kala ko kasi na hindi ko na siya makukuha dahil nga nakalock, no? Hindi namin siya ma-open pa. Kahit anong gawin namin talaga, hindi pa siya maayos. Ayan. So, sana bago malis si Mr. sa bukas ng gabi kasi siya alis, guys. Kasi nga, alauna ng Lunes, 1 a.m. ng 25. Ayan, so Monday na yun, guys, siya aalis.
I don't feel to go.
Ha?
I don't feel to go.
Don't be crazy. So, parang gusto niya i-postpone yung pag-alis niya. Parang buang. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yung guys.
I more like it here than my country.
So, nag-enjoy talaga siya dito sa Pilipinas, guys. Kaya parang ayaw niyang umuwi tuloy. Kasi,
I more like province than city.
really, now you more like province. Alam niyo ba?
I wasn't expecting that, you know. First, I was thinking that city, oh my god, city is so good. Like, so advanced, so clean. Then, like, I don't know, I should just, like, spend my days in province and come back fastly. But, it's, like, people there so good and friendly, like, what friendly? It's like, own
Yeah,
family
so,
already, not just friendly, it's like...
Welcoming and you
No,
don't, you
it's
want,
like family. Once
you
you
won't
stay-
feel that your visitors like
yeah,
that.
especially as a foreigner, you know, if you being homely, they will treat you as a family also. Like, they didn't talk only night, they talking me, but when they talking me in night, it's so good already. Like, they talking me what's in their heart already. Many people wanted to talk me there, which they shy to talk. They keep telling me that we want to talk you, but we are shy. I don't know why
Also,
they shy.
language barrier, like English. O, kasi nga guys, syempre pag nakipagkwentuhan sila kay Mister, dapat English, 'di ba? So, yung mga kapatid ko, yung mga sister-in-law ko, syempre parang naiilang sila. Hindi nila ma-express yung gusto nilang sabihin. Pero kahit gano'n, naramdaman ni Mister yung ano ba, yung pagtanggap nila. Ayan, kaya na...
Like Indian chicken, you know.
Really? That's Filipino style.
Really? So tasty, ah.
Really? You like it? So, nagustuhan niya yung chicken curry, guys. O, ayan o. Parang Indian style lang daw. So, si Jess, pakainin ko din. Let's see kung magugustuhan niya. You eat also, Lala. You eat also. Can you sit here, Gulo, so that you can be in camera also?
Yeah, okay.
Ayan. So, nakikita niyo ba si Mister? Nagustuhan niya yung chicken curry ng kapatid ko. So, pakainin lang natin konti si Jess. Sige na, anak. Sige na. Siya, wala. Sige. Ayan na naman si Dura-Dura. So, ito si Jazz. Parang pumayat na siya, guys. Kasi hindi siya gaano kumakain.
We will make 2-3 special videos on my reviews of Philippines. One video on review of city of Philippines, Quezon. Second on province life. Third on family.
So, kain tayo ng gulay. You want gulay? Can you taste this also?
I'll never mix.
So, ayaw paghaluin yung kinakain niya, guys. So, ako na lang mag- But this is tasty, I'm telling you. Try it na, Malala. Are you empty na? Mama, charge the phone din. See your battery. Ayan, so ayaw ni Jazz. Busog pa ito kasi nakaubo siya ng isang cupcake. So, dito ko siya panoorin. You watch here. Mama, eat, okay? Jollibee dancing. You search what you want then. So, kain tayo, guys. Ano ni Mr. Nagustuhan niya. There's more gulo if you want more. There's more if you want more. You search it! Like this, oh. Jollibee dancing. Ayan. So, kain tayo. Na-enjoy ni Mr. yung chicken curry, Filipino style. Oh.
Just like Indian taste.
You able to eat everything, right? Except fish. And
I just fear to some reactions to them, you know.
Although wala naman talaga siyang allergy, guys, kaya lang natatakot siyang magre-react sa later, right? So, yun na lang, okay lang. Yun lang yung iniiwasan niya, yung mga isda. Hindi talaga siya kumain.
But whatever given to me, I eat already.
Ayan, so kain tayo, guys. Enjoy muna namin ang aming food. Bye-bye!